flight mode. The radio mode up.
So, quick little review for Amazon. We've been out here playing for over an hour. I think if you follow the directions and charge it properly the first time, you will definitely get pretty good use out of the battery. We've had 3 kids taking turns, double seat being used, and even the remote, walking around the block with the remote with a 3 and a 4-year-old. And now the older one is bringing it home. Like I said, I think if you're really interested in this, follow the instructions and charge the battery properly the first time.
What? You can't see them because it's daytime. Okay, you ready? Are you gonna go super fast? Yeah. Okay.